Welcome to our comprehensive comparison review of TP-Link's Archer 8 and Archer AX21 v3 routers. Let's delve into their key specifications. 1. Wireless. The Archer 8 operates on Wi-Fi 5 standards, delivering at 1900 speeds with 1300 Mbps on the 5G band and 600 Mbps on the 5G band, suitable for medium range coverage in 3-bedroom houses. It features Threx fixed high-performance antennas and supports MIMO and airtime fairness for efficient network utilization. In contrast, the Archer AX21 v3 supports Wi-Fi 6 standards, offering AX100 speeds with 1201 Mbps on the 5G band and 574 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz band. It boasts high-power FEM and OFMA technology for improved signal coverage and network efficiency, making it ideal for high-capacity wireless environments. 2. Security. Both routers come equipped with robust network security features, including SPI firewall, access control, and guest networks. They support a range of encryption protocols, including WEA, WAPA, WA3, and WA-PATWU, WA3, and WA-PATWU. 3. Hardware. The Archer 8 features a 1.2 GHz single-core CPU, while the Archer AX21 v3 boasts a powerful CPU for enhanced performance. Both routers offer 1x gigabit WAN port and 4x gigabit LAN ports for wired connections. Additionally, the Archer AX21 v3 comes with a USB 2.0 port supporting various partition formats and functions like Apple Time Machine, FTP server, media server, and Samba server, and Samba server. 4. Software. Both routers support essential protocols like IP4 and IP6 and offer advanced features such as parental controls, quality of service settings, and cloud services for firmware upgrades. They also support TP-Link's OnMesh technology for creating a flexible network and VPN server client functionalities for secure remote access. In summary, while the Archer 8 provides reliable Wi-Fi performance for medium-sized homes, the Archer AX21 v3 offers the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology with enhanced speed, coverage, and security features, making it a top choice for households with high-capacity wireless requirements. Thank you for watching our comparison review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.